The Conti laser aligner enables you to correctly align belt drives. It can be used to measure not only V-belt drives, but also other product groups without difficulty. The practical transport box contains the user guide with helpful information, for example, the permissible axle, angular, and parallelism errors, the magnetic Conti laser aligner, 4 magnets that serve as metering points, and a magnetic spacer that can optionally be used if the tool needs more precise mounting on the belt pulley. The first step is to fit the battery in the Conti laser aligner. Then place this on the outermost point of one of the drive pulleys. Next, position 3 magnets on the other pulley. Ensure that the marks on the magnets point toward the laser and that the magnets are positioned at 90 degrees to each other. The 4th magnet is a spare and is not required to conduct the measurement. Now press the red button to switch the Conti laser aligner on. The laser now projects a red line onto the magnets. If the laser does not hit the center mark of all the magnets, the drive has to be realigned. If the laser light is aligned with the center lines of the measurement magnets, the drive is perfectly adjusted.